Welcome to this week's Pass the FE Exam video. Now in this video, we're going to be discussing a common dilemma faced by many aspiring engineers, changing your FE exam discipline. Now whether you're reassessing your career goals or discovering a new passion, join us as we demystify the process step by step. Now this video is brought to you by PPI, a leader in the engineering exam prep for the FE exam and PE exams since 1975. PPI provides expert prep courses and study resources designed to help you pass the PE exam the first time. PPI's live online courses include hours of lectures, problem-solving demonstrations, exam strategy sessions, office hours, and a passing guarantee. And when you take a live online course, PPI guarantees that you will pass, or you can take the on-demand course for free. With study guides, practice exams, and more, the PPI Learning Hub offers digital practice and review that you can take with you anywhere that you have a device so that you can prepare during the times most convenient for you. Check out PPI today at ppi2pass.com to see all of the options available for PE exam prep. Are you preparing for the FE exam but suddenly uncertain about your chosen discipline? Well, don't worry, you're not alone here. Many FE candidates discovered that they need to change the FE exam disciplines for various reasons. Changing your FE exam discipline after NCEES registration doesn't have to be a hassle. In fact, it's a smart move if your career aspirations have changed or if you discovered a new engineering passion. Now, this guide is going to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you make a seamless transition and stay on track for engineering and training glory. So let's start by looking at why choosing the right FE exam discipline is so important. Now, choosing the right discipline for your FE exam is crucial. Your discipline determines the topics and questions that you'll encounter during that test. Now, selecting the discipline that aligns with your academic background and career goals is absolutely essential. However, circumstances can change over time, and you might feel like changing the FE exam discipline for several reasons. Now, this could be due to a change in your career direction, academic focus, or simply realizing that another discipline suits you better. Now, understanding the need for flexibility, NCEES provides an option to change your FE exam discipline after registration. Remember that this process incurs a $50 administrative fee, but it ensures that you're adequately prepared for the exam in your new discipline. Now, changing your FE exam discipline involves a straightforward process managed in your NCEES account. Now, here is a step-by-step guide to begin the process. Step 1. You want to log into your NCEES account. Begin by accessing your account via the NCEES login portal you use for initial registration. Ensure that you remember or save your login credentials. Step 2. You want to go to the Exams tab. Now, after logging in, you want to navigate to the My Exams tab containing information about your registered FE exam. Step 3. You want to cancel/reschedule the exam. So within the exam sections, you want to locate and click on the cancel/reschedule exam link. Now, this is the gateway to making changes to your exam registration. Step 4. Change discipline. So once you've entered the cancel/reschedule exam section, you want to choose the change discipline option to proceed with that change. Step 5. You want to select the new discipline that you want to enroll in. Now you can select the new discipline that you wish to pursue. You want to carefully choose the discipline that aligns with your current goals and your expertise. Step number 6. You want to click on the Submit button. After selecting your new discipline, click on the Submit button to confirm your changes. Now this is the final step, and this is going to initiate the process of changing your FE exam discipline. Now, here are a few important reminders and things that you want to remember. Now, number 1, there's going to be an administrative fee. Changing your FE exam discipline incurs a $50 administrative fee. Be prepared to make this payment during this process. Number 2, one-time change. Now, you can only change your FE exam discipline once. Select the most suitable discipline to avoid additional fees or changes later on. Number 3, advance notice. Now, NCEES requires you to make the change at least 14 days before your scheduled exam date. Plan with a safe margin to ensure a smooth transition. Then lastly, number 4, you want to review the NCSS Examinee Guide for detailed information and any updated procedures regarding exam registration and cancellations. Now remember that selecting the right discipline for the FE exam is crucial. Sometimes it becomes mandatory to change your exam discipline, which may be necessary to align with your evolving engineering career or your academic aspirations. So I hope that you all found this week's video to be very helpful to you all. And in upcoming videos, we're going to answer more of your FE exam questions and run through more practice problems. Pass the FE exam will publish videos weekly, so please be sure to click the subscribe button as you'll get expert tips and tricks, including practice problem solutions weekly. And we're going to do that to ensure that you pass the FE exam. And I encourage you all to ask questions in the comments that we'll also read and respond to in future videos. So if there's a specific topic that you want us to cover or a question that you want to have answered, Pass the FE exam will have you covered. See you guys next week.